what's up, people? Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Another day, another ride. Today is a special day. Keep watching. Well, good morning and welcome back to my channel. We are en route to Ooty today and just crossed Gundlpit, and from here heading on to Kalati Ghats to reach Ooty. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates on all my videos. It's a beautiful summer morning. It feels more like winter, but it's beautiful weather for a drive. And today being a Sunday, there's a lot of traffic, but still we're enjoying the drive. So stay tuned as we drive along to also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, and do like my Facebook fan page, which is also Djmahaneet. It's freezing cold right here in Ooty, and we arrived here in the afternoon, I think around 2 and 1 p.m. I think it was. So that's the house we have to stay. It's our apartment here in Ooty, and that's the city. So those of you just logged in, today is the 22nd of May, middle of summer. It's freezing cold right here in Ooty, and we just arrived here today. We're going to be here for about 3 to 4 days, and maybe on Thursday evening we're heading back to Bangalore, and it's like fun weather. Stay tuned as we explore Ooty and and surrounding areas. Yeah, we're checking out the harbour. Good boy. Come on, let's go. So we are in Ooty. The temperature right now is 12 degrees centigrade. It feels cold and it's still about 5 in the evening. It's not even
10 degrees.
No, it's 12 degrees.
It's 10.
So that's the weather. Good morning people, day 2 in Ooty. I'm taking a morning run and along the tracks of the Nilgiri railway system which goes to Coimbatore, Kunur. Beautiful morning today. Welcome back to my channel, another day of my ride in Ooty. So that's the apartment we are staying in. It's our apartment in Ooty. This is the Harida Heights, looking down towards the Ooty town. I'll just show you a view. That's the view of Ooty town or Ooty city. You can see the race course right down there. Well, check out the drone that is the end of day 2 of this beautiful Ooty series. Hope you like this. Do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. Also follow me on Facebook. My Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Stay tuned. Do keep watching all my videos and give me a thumbs up if you like this. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also the bell icon, to get all the latest updates of all my videos. Again, welcome back to my channel, day 3 in Ooty. Nice bright sunny morning today. Welcome back to my channel once again. That's some beautiful skies, clear skies today. It's a typical Ooty summer and we're going to explore some tea estates today. Check out all the drone shots. We're going to fly over my friend's tea estate here in Fernhill, Ooty. terrace overlooking the Elk Hill Sterling property. That's the Elk Hill, the one behind right there. That's the Sterling Elk Hill, and we have another Sterling on the other side. That's a Sterling Fernhill property. So in between these two Sterlings this is the Harida Heights, and you can see the Ooty city. You can see the golf course right behind the town. We're on top of Elk Hill. Well, we're at Greenway Manor. This is Fernhill, Ooty, to visit my friend's tea estate. Check out the drone. Restaurant in Ooty. Just come here for lunch. Check out the lunch menu today.
Welcome to Ooty, everybody. Welcome to Ooty. This is the Kailas Parbat of Ooty. I hope you enjoy.
Like, share and subscribe.
Like, share and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Like, share and subscribe. Hi everyone, I'm Djmahaneet's sister.
I'm Djmahaneet's mother.
Hi, I'm Djmahaneet's Macha.
I am Djmahaneet's Dada.
Well, that's it from this beautiful Nilgiri series, the Ooty trip. Hope you enjoyed this entire vlog on the Ooty trip. Behind me is the mighty Nilgiri Hills, part of the Western Ghats. Looks beautiful. So if you like this video, do give me a thumbs up. Also, you can leave your comments down below in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also give me a thumbs up and hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all the videos. So until next time,
Hi, I'm Djmahaneet's son.